Hello, my name is Silvan Morariu. I'm a business partner at AROBS Transylvania Software. This is a Romanian company. We are a software company. We are more than 1,000 people. We are listed at the Romanian Stock Exchange. And we are very proud to be part of today's event, which is organized by IL Academy, and it is sponsored by Softmedica. It is a great opportunity to meet one of the best professors in the business academia. He's well recognized, and it's a person that we really like and enjoy to meet and learn from him. He has a distinct teaching style and presenting various business advices. It is based on study cases, and his advice is also backed up by very strong academic background and studies. So I would definitely recommend participating to these events, and I really would like to thank you to the IL Academy for giving us this opportunity to come here today and to make our company great and to learn from various great people how to manage our businesses.